how to check chat history on Grok AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your chat history in Grok AI. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Grok app on your phone and sign into your account if you haven't already. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the menu icon or two dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to another section. Now here, as you can see, I haven't searched or continued any conversation, but here, if you have continued any conversation right here, then if you go to the menu section from there, then here you'll see the list of all your previous conversation. So there you can simply tap on any chat to open it and continue the conversation. And if you don't see your previous chats, make sure that you are signed in with the same account you used to create them. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.